So hi guys, I'm Karim Sheikh, and in this video I will explain you about how to create custom classes and then import them to the another classes. So you can see on the screen that I have opened a Eclipse workspace, and in that I have created a class name as anode, and on the other side I have created a second class which is namely importing, which is a name as importing class. So let me tell you how to create a class. So in this we have basically two blocks normally. As this one is public class anode. Public is a modifier, okay. Class is a keyword for class, and anode is the name of the class. Mainly when we use public as a modifier, it can be useful outside the this class also, outside this package, and we can use this to the another package as well. So that is generally what means public. Public is a modifier, okay. So what is static? Static is a keyword, and here we are using statics because we don't have any dynamic data types, so that's why we are using static in the main class, okay. And what is meant by void? Void is a data type. It does not need any return statement. If we use data types like strings, integers, etc., then we need to mention a return statement inside that. So these are the basic blocks of the program of Java. So let me create first method of this class, okay. I will start with a public void and then the method name. So for example, I'm taking as city name, okay, city name. So I have created a method where this is empty method right now. um, I will write some statement inside it so that we can get it. So inside this method, the method generally start with a name and then progress with the uh, round brackets, okay. So this is an initialization of the uh, method, okay. So inside this method we can write anything like I'm writing I am currently in Pune, okay. I'm writing this, okay, inside. So this has been done, okay. I have created a simple method inside this anode class. So how can I call this method? So for this I have to go inside public static void main. Main is a main method which calls certain methods, okay. So inside this we need to create a constructor for this class, for the class object, okay. So generally what is the way to create to write a constructor is a first one is class name, okay, then followed by the object name, then is equal to new class name, and then create then close it by the uh, round brackets, okay. So let me show you how we can do. So let me take first anode, okay. We have anode as our class. Then then we need to give object name, okay. I'm taking object as a object name, then equal sign, then new, then anode and round bracket close, okay. This is what generally this is called as constructor, okay. This is the constructor for the class anode, okay. So now let me call our city name method from here. Okay, so by using our just recently created object, we will do object dot our method. Okay, class method. So here we have written the method. What is the step then? First you need to write the constructor. Then the next step would be you will call your method by using the object. So it is like a object name, object dot method name. Okay, always remember this. Now we need to run this. So here I can run it. Okay, we have got our output. Okay? What is the output? I have written inside this city name method that I am currently in a Pune. Okay, so it will show us I am currently in a Pune. And how this program is working: when I start to call the method, for that I am first of all type the object name, then dot symbol, then dot, then further our method name. Okay, when I call city method, the object would call the city method, and whatever inside this city method would be displayed on the screen. As you can see, we have the output. I am currently in Pune. Okay, we can change it to anything. I am currently in Mumbai. Okay, now we can type. Okay, so see, we have got our output. Okay, so similarly, this method that we have just created inside anode class, we can call it from the import class also. So for that, what we will do, we will import our anode class. Okay, and how we can do? Um, right, just type import keyword, then your package name, then dot symbol, then your class name from where you want the method to be called. Okay, so as I have written it, so I will create a constructor. I will create a constructor for anode class so that we can call the method. Okay, so I am just creating an object for the anode class so that we can call the method from there. Then we have just created our constructor, then take the object. Okay, now you can see that uh, the Eclipse templates proposal just given us method name. So we want to call our city name. Okay, just we got. Now we need to run this. Okay, okay, you can see that from import class also, but after importing the anode class, we can call any type of method from the anode class to the import class, and we can use it. So in this way we can call our custom classes and import them to the another classes for use of them. So right now this is simple. Okay, right now this is simple. So just I want to tell you, I am making a change. Okay, I am making a change. I am giving an argument inside this city name method. Okay, and I want to call this argument from here. Okay, uh, in how we can call this? Okay, so for that I have sys out. Okay, system dot output dot println, and inside our round brackets I am writing a string. This will be shown first. This would be a message for anything, then a plus sign, further our variable name, that we just have given. We are using string as a type. City will be a string type variable, so it can give us output in as an string. So I will just include the city variable in sysout also. So for this we have to just change this also. Okay, here we need to give our city name, so I am giving Pune as our city name. Okay, now we can run this method. So okay, you can see that after giving an argument inside this method, okay, after giving an argument inside this method, I can call the same method, and we are getting the same output inside this. So this would be a very beneficial uh, way to do it. I can write Delhi also. Okay, I am currently in Delhi. Now we can see in import type also. There you can see that annotate. Currently the method also have adjusted itself with the changes. Okay. Okay, right. You can see that the same is happening here also. So in this way we can import and export our method and classes to the another class for using them for the betterment. Okay.